In this video, we will discuss fiat currency in contrast to asset-backed currency. In the world of finance, the debate surrounding fiat currency and asset-backed currency has been ongoing for decades. Fiat currency, which is not backed by any physical commodity, and asset-backed currency, which derives its value from tangible assets, represent two contrasting monetary systems. This video aims to shed light on the fundamental differences between these two approaches while exploring their implications on economic stability and confidence. While fiat currency is the dominant form of money in most countries today, it is fast approaching the end of its life cycle. It is issued and regulated by governments and/or central banks, and its value is primarily derived from the trust and confidence people place in it. Fiat currency is not backed by a physical asset, such as gold or silver. Its value is purely symbolic. Governments and/or central banks have the authority to control the supply of fiat currency, adjust interest rates, and implement monetary policies that affect the economy. The following are three major disadvantages of fiat currency. 1. Inflation risk. The absence of a tangible asset backing fiat currency exposes it to the risk of inflation. If governments excessively print money or mismanage monetary policies, it can lead to a loss of purchasing power and erode the value of fiat currency. 2. Lack of intrinsic value. Fiat currency has no inherent value and relies solely on trust. In times of economic crisis or loss of confidence, the value of fiat currency can rapidly decline, leading to financial instability. 3. Centralized control. Fiat currency relies on centralized control by governments and central banks, leaving them susceptible to political influences and potential manipulation. This centralized control can undermine the autonomy and independence of monetary systems. Asset-backed currency is a monetary system where the value of a currency is directly backed by a tangible asset, typically precious metals like gold or silver. This system establishes a fixed exchange rate between the currency and the asset, providing stability and intrinsic value to the currency. The following are the three major advantages of an asset-backed currency. 1. Intrinsic value. Asset-backed currency derives its value from physical assets, providing it with intrinsic value. This makes it less susceptible to rapid fluctuations and instills confidence in the currency's stability. 2. Protection against inflation. The link to tangible assets provides a safeguard against inflation. As the value of the asset tends to remain relatively stable over time, the currency maintains its purchasing power, offering a hedge against economic uncertainties. 3. Transparency and trust. Asset-backed currencies are based on transparent standards and measurable assets, which foster trust and reduce the risk of manipulations or sudden devaluations. Fiat currencies provide flexibility for governments and central bankers to create inflation, and they lack intrinsic value. On the other hand, asset-backed currency offers stability and intrinsic value. Understanding these monetary systems is essential for policymakers, economists, and individuals alike, as it influences economic stability, confidence, and the overall financial landscape.